If your Hisense Smart TV has no sound, here's how to fix it. Start by checking the TV's volume and making sure it's not muted, since low or muted volume is often the simplest cause. Next, go to Settings and Sound and make sure the correct audio output is selected, especially if you are using external speaker or soundbar. Also, check all cables connecting to the TV to external device to ensure they are secure and undamaged, because loose HDMI or audio cable can stop sound. Then, restart the TV to refresh its system and clear temporary glitches. Finally, if the issue persists, perform a factory reset from the settings menu to restore default audio settings. For more smart TV troubleshooting tips, watch our next video on fixing Hisense TVs that won't connect to Wi-Fi.